So in this project we're going to be working with this data. Okay, so I'll open it so we can have a cool look at it to know what's going on or what's happening in here. Now we have this segment, and that is for I can see that we have a component like government, mid-market, and then all these. We've got a bunch of data here. Okay, we are going to be analyzing this one. We have the country. Okay, now we have Canada, France, Germany, and US, like that. Okay, we have product and discount. I don't think we would need this, and then there are some elements in here that we won't need. So let's go ahead and then start getting this data into our platform. All right, so let's get our Excel data, that is the financial data. All right, so alright, so financial data, let me see. Okay, so let's be working around this particular data over here. All right, so let's transform it. Alright, so we now have this data in our platform. So excuse me, the next thing we're going to be doing is to look out for the data types. Okay, now we can see that this is okay, country, this is okay, product, this is okay. We don't need this section, so let's remove it right away. Now unit sold, this is okay, manufacturing price, this is okay, sales price, so let's take this one out just for the purpose of this analysis, and that's all. Let's look at sales price, and there's the gross sales. Okay, so let's look at, we have discount, let's remove this. We have some sales, we have a whole bunch of figures over here, so let's remove this and then maintain the sales. Cost of goods sold, this is like expenses, and that is how come we got this profit over here. All right, this is the date, the month number, and this is the month name, and then we have the year. So I think this is quite cool. So let's check some few other things. Look at the year is giving us some kind of numbers over here, which is not really bad, and this is dates, which is also really cool. Then this is profit, which is also cool. All right, it's really cool. So we can have a look at it. Hey, look at this one. We have some negative profits in here. That means the companies were running at losses and that, but that's okay. Profit can be negative, so we don't have much problems about it. So let's take this one out. In fact, let's take our profit 2 out just for the purpose of this analysis. Now, depending on the description of your client, you will know which column of data to maintain and which one not to. Okay, so the next thing I would want us to be doing is to try and then arrange this data over here well. Okay, so like let me push the date first. I have this days and products, I have the units sold, sales price, and then sales number, name and year. So let me select the 3 of these, push them there. Okay, so I can leave them here, like the date is the year, this, and then month number, and that's okay. That's cool. So I think we are really okay with this one, so we can go ahead and start with some visualization buildings and that.